Just picture this, guys. It's raining heavily outside, and you're sitting in your balcony with this nice plate of street food, some hot pav, some delicious pav bhaji masala, and some nice chopped up onions, and a small squeeze of lemon into that. And you just take this whole big bite and just chew on it, and just imagine how the first bite would taste. Are you getting hungry? This was exactly how we spend the day eating pav bhaji. You're watching Get Set and Cook with Pratima and Chandana. Today, we're going to show you how to make simple, easy, healthy and extremely delicious pav bhaji, guys. Just kept all the ingredients what you'll need for this over here. Take a look at that. We've taken about 3 large potatoes, 3 carrots, about 3 medium-sized onions, about 3 to 4 tomatoes, 2 shimla mirch or capsicum nicely chopped, green peas, some butter, ginger and garlic paste, some coriander, salt. Of course, we have taken pav, some red chili powder, MTR pav bhaji masala, and oil. This is a very simple recipe, guys, but it tastes amazing. Instead of eating street food all the time, let's make it at our home and eat healthy food. As you can see here, I've peeled the carrots, chopped them up and added them into the cooker. I've taken about 3 carrots there. We've also taken 3 potatoes. If you guys want to eat more potato, you can add more potato, that's okay. As you remember, in the street style pav bhaji, you get a lot of potato and peas and onions. You don't get carrots and capsicum and all in that. But because we try to make our food as healthy as we can, we try to add in a lot of healthier vegetables and avoid starchy vegetables. So we are adding 3 potatoes, and this recipe serves about 7 people to 8 people. So you can make accordingly, guys. So in a pressure cooker, I've added about 3 carrots chopped, 3 potatoes chopped, a bowl of peas, added some water and kept the cooker to blow. Next, I'm going to take in another kadai, and to this I'm adding about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. You can go a little ham on the butter, guys. Here we wanted to be a little bit cautious while using butter and oil, so we used a little bit less amount. But if you want to enjoy the actual street style, you can go a little ham on the butter. To this I've also added about 3 chopped onion and about 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm giving it a good mix and letting them cook. I'm also adding in ginger and garlic paste. If you're someone who does not have an access to a mixer, you can finely chop your garlic and finely chop your ginger and add them in too. Next, I've also added capsicum, about 2 large capsicums nicely chopped. I'm letting that cook. After they've cooked for about 5 to 6 minutes, I'm also adding in the tomatoes. Taken about 3 medium-sized tomatoes over here. Nice red tomatoes, guys. I've taken the farm version of these tomatoes. Try to avoid the country version of the tomatoes, guys. They are too sour. Then your pav bhaji will taste too sour and it won't be good. To this I'm also adding about 3 to 4 teaspoons of red chili powder and letting it cook. As you can see here, the potatoes, peas and carrots are ready. I'm going to mash it all up nicely. The more you mash this, the better it will taste, guys. So give that a good mash. And once these vegetables have cooked for at least about 10 minutes, I'm going to add in the mashed vegetables into this and cook both of them together. It's a very simple recipe. You can literally make it in like 30 to 40 minutes. provided you have availability of pav. Or you can make the pav as well. If you want us to show you how to make the pav at home, just leave it in the comment section guys. We'll get back to you with the pav recipe too. Now after adding all the vegetables, added some water and giving it a good mix. To this I'm also adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of pav bhaji masala. I've taken MTR pav bhaji masala over here and adding it about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Adding a little bit more water and checking for the consistency. Since the salt and chili powder and all were on a lesser side, I'm adding in some more. As you remember, I've not added salt anywhere excepting for the onions to cook in the beginning. So now I'm adding in the salt and giving it a good mix. Guys, salt and chili powder and all these masalas, mainly you should adjust it according to your requirements. Sometimes something that's right for my taste will not be right for your taste. So just give it a good taste and see if you need to add something else, and always add it in like that. Once it's cooked for a while, I'm adding in some coriander that we had taken. Now on low flame, I'm going to let it cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. It should look something like this. If you want a thinner consistency, you can add some more water. But if you feel the consistency is fine for you, you can just let it be this way. Our bhaji is ready guys. Let's cook some pav now. I'm adding some butter to a pan here, adding in some salt and red chili powder, some coriander. Now I'm going to take the pav and spread it on this butter. If you don't want to add all this, you can just use it with plain butter. Or if you're health conscious, you can skip the butter too. That's fine. You can just heat up your pav on a pan and that you'll be good to go. Flip it over and fry it on both sides. Look at this guys. A delicious pav bhaji is ready now. We had a good time eating this. It was pouring down and a lot of us fam people, we just gathered together and ate this recipe. It was amazing guys. Try out this healthy version of pav bhaji. Hope you guys will make it too. And let us know if you liked it guys. Please let us know what you want us to make in the comment section. If you like what you're watching, consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to us because we're putting in a lot of content out there for you guys with a lot of love. And if we get some support back, it would mean a lot to us. Look at that. It was so delicious. Hope you guys will try this recipe out. Let us know in the comment section if you like it. And let us know what other videos you want us to make. And please subscribe to our channel guys. Share our videos. It would mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back with more videos.